How to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. First, update TikTok app. Navigate to Play Store or App Store. Search for TikTok. If there is the update, update to the latest version. Step 2. Clear TikTok cache. Long press on TikTok app icon. Select I button. Navigate to Storage Switches, tap Clear Cache and delete all the cache. Next step, you simply need to change the upload method. For that, navigate to TikTok, tap on the plus button at bottom center of your screen and select multiple photos. TikTok should now show the photo mode option automatically. If that doesn't help, you simply need to uninstall and reinstall TikTok from the Play Store to refresh all features. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and comment.